Sometimes the hardest part about maintaining home organization is feeling like you have to keep up with everything. And what makes it really easy is when we do it a little bit at a time. What I like to call 15-minute freshen ups. Choose a time that you need to take a break in your workday or you're waiting for a meeting to start. This is a time that you can dedicate very quickly to cleaning a small area in your house. Pick something fun to do alongside with it, whether you're listening to a podcast or your favorite song, or maybe you want to call a friend and have a quick chat. If you're able to use storage containers where you can pop like items in together, it makes it very, very easy to do. I like to think of everything in its place and a place for everything. That really keeps it simple. If you do this a couple times a day, a couple times a week, it can help you to keep on top of everything. Progress over perfection is the way that we want to go. Very easy in 15 minutes.